and welcome to my review on the Thomas Wynne Railway on the cargo cars. Please remember that this video contains my opinion. So, starting off with the packaging like always, on the top right, it says Extraordinary Engines from the Extraordinary Engines DVD, released in 2017. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't ever remember this appearing on TV. In fact, the only reason I bought it is because Thomas Wynne Railway no longer exists. And this was the last, there was many Thomas Wynne Railway items where I got this, but this was the last of the Underglow cargo cars. So I thought I might as well get this item while it's still around. Anyways, starting off with the packaging like always. Has a blue background, in my opinion much better than the Thomas Wood background that they have. Looks much more appealing, much more, if I saw this in the store versus like, I can't have the packaging because it's completely destroyed, but versus the wood items, I definitely pick this over the wood items. So, also over here on the Glow Cargo, it's also in French because, Canada, that's how it works in Canada. On the back, for some reason, they only have a picture of the cargo car. It's just something, it says, if you can read it, it says glows in the dark, in the top line, if the camera will focus. There we go. It says glows in the dark, but, it shows the cargo piece and cargo car. I don't know, wait, does the cargo piece? No, I don't think so. But as you can see, it does. They have a little place where you can get in and press it. The Thomas Wynne Railway logo, much better than the Thomas Wood logo. Now, I guess we can open this. I don't want to destroy the packaging on this one. I don't know if that's possible. Oh, it is. Oh, there we go. Perfectly intact. Oh, wow. Wait here for a second. I can't get the thing. This feels a lot different from this. As you can see, this model is clearly based off of the Vickerstown Oil and Coal, or the Vickerstown Oil car from Vickerstown Oil and Coal car pack that they released back in 2013. I believe this was one of the first things that Mattel released. Anyways, this just feels a lot different, feels a lot cheaper, and you can tell the quality definitely downgraded over the years. You might not notice it with the engines, but when you compare two pieces of rolling stock with the same basis, you can definitely tell the quality has worsened. So as you saw in the beginning, lights up. I don't know if it's just that this is like old, but this lights up a lot better than this. Pretty sure it's just because this is way older. Chassis is plastic. This used to be wood. The wheels used to be wood. Actually, yeah, the wheels are wood. Now, this entire thing is plastic. Not a single bit of this is wood. Let me check. Yeah. Completely plastic. At least on this, the bottom was wood. This, they didn't even bother to put a single bit of wood on it. The light up feature is cool, but like, I would have preferred something like this. A generic oil car, not a, what is this, paint company car. I thought this was like some radioactive material. Who transports paint in a tanker? I don't know. It's unusual. No one, then again, the engines have faces, so can't complain. But just doesn't make sense. Transporting paint in a tanker, I don't know. Now, if I move on to the cargo car, it comes with a generic yellow cargo car. I mean, it's better than the, I can find it. better than these things. I hate these things. They're so simplified, and yeah. I mean, it's nice that they're simple, but you know, I like this better. The design of this is much better than the old one as well. Just overall, much better. It looks like they have a construction thing over here. I actually like that. I'm glad that came with this. So I guess there's not much else to talk about. So, that is my review of the On The Glow cars. Thanks for watching.